Hey everyone, it is Thursday, May 6th. My name is Dan Charles with DailyCoin, and it's time for the trade of the day. So let's get into it. Okay, so first let's look at Dogecoin, because Dogecoin was the trade of the day, Monday, Tuesday. And I said yesterday, we're going to pull back. It's going to pull back. So here it is pulling back. Right now it's holding 0.60. That's very important, but I really do see that breaking. We'll see if it can hold. Anything's possible. Next level support is going to be the open and the close of the previous days, which was roughly 0.54. So 0.54 will be the next level support if it busts through 0.60. Okay, let's look at yesterday's trade of the day, Bitcoin Cash. Now I thought Bitcoin Cash would pull back, and you can see it did pull back, but then it recovered and it rallied, and now we got resistance at 1600. Hit a high today so far at 1641. But yeah, I really thought this would pull back. It always will, not always, but typically it will pull back after a large rangy candle, but it held that 1300 support. So when we were looking at this, I was saying it needs to break through 1300, and it did that. So let's take a look at that on the hourly chart, because I was looking at this right in around this time frame, 9 to 10, and I pointed out the lower highs. It was showing resistance at 1300 at the time of making that video, and then at 11, it busted out on the hourly time frame and closed above 13, and that really set up for this rally here. Then, like mentioning, I thought we'd pull back because it's a large range. We pulled back, but then we held 1300 support, and then we set up this rally here, pull back, and then break out resistance at 16, and you can see pulled back, and now it's trying to rally, but it's we'll see if it can get back up to that price. Let's actually take a look at this on a 15-minute chart here. All right, so here's the 15-minute chart. We got short-term resistance at 1560, and our support is going to be 1480. So I want to see it hold 1480 and break and close on the 15-minute above 1560. And then if it does that, I think it will test and potentially break 16, and that's where we're at. It's pulling back right now as we speak, but that is how I'm looking at Bitcoin Cash. But let's get to today's, and that's EOS. EOS, huge couple days, big breakout setup. Now this is a pretty big rangy candle as well. Did pull back slightly though today, but you can see the volume picking up as well. So right now we can look at this and say 12 is the resistance. We're just below that 12 price right now. So 11 is going to be the next level support, and there was great support around 9, and then we also have to look at 10. So it's important to always look at those solid whole numbers, and you'll find support and resistance on those prices. So here it is pulling back below. Let's take a look though at the weekly. You can see the big week this week, and last week really set the tone for the rally this week, because we had the breakout in previous weeks, we had the pullback a couple weeks ago, and then we held the support though at 5. So you can look and see the support right here at 5. It held 5 last week and rallied, and you got this nice small rangy candle, moving average going through the body. This really set up for the trade this week. And now we're in this big rangy breakout trade, and you know how I feel about those. It's typically going to pull back. So let's go to a 4-hour chart. All right, look at that 4-hour. Really nice setup here, May 4th at 1700 to really get in and buy on the 2100 candle. And then you get this big rally, 2 big breakouts the last 4 hours. And there's that $12 resistance. There's 11 support. There is also support around 1063. Let's take a look at this on the 15. So there's the weakness on the current 15-minute candle at 12 because it's pulling back. So here's the breakout. We're going parabolic, straight up. It's always going to have to pull back to the moving average. And then here's the setup. And wait for the break above 12. But here we are. We broke above 12, but now we're closing, or we're pulling back below that 12 price. And you can see it's showing a lot of weakness right now. And this is what I'm talking about. It's very dangerous to be buying in on a big rangy move like this. So watch the $12 resistance and watch this $11 support, because that's the next level support if this starts pulling back. And that's it. That's basically the trade of the day today. Make sure you come back tomorrow for tomorrow's trade of the day. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.